Hello guys, so you have in here a 8 channel kitchen timer. Apologies, this is in Chinese, but I have put labels on them. So you have here 8 channels, so this is 1, 2, 3, and 4 up to 8. And then we have the 5 buttons here. So the first one is for the time, then you have here for the alarm or reminder. And then you have here the power button, and the other two are just for the up and down. So that's straightforward. So to power it on, just press power, of course. So you have there the level of sound. You can change that after you turn it on. Just press the button here. So if you want to increase it, it goes up to 10. It gets really loud. And you can also set it up to nothing, 0. So just put it to 1 so that we hear the alarm. Okay. So right now this is set into minute and seconds. You can also change the setting to hour and minute. And to do that, let's turn it off and press this one here, the time. So right now it's set to M, that's actually M, so that's minute, second. So you can change individually from minute to hour, minute second to hour minute. So for instance, we want channel 7 and 8 to be hour minute. Just press it one again, so you have there hour and minute, and also number 8, hour and minute. Okay, so that's how to do it. So let's turn this up and turn it as normal. So you want to set the timer to say this one to say 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on. So to do that, you press the time right here, and you'll see everything end. So let's press this one. So remember, this is set at a minute and second. So the first 2 digits are seconds. So if you want to put say 1 second, and then we want the leftmost 2 digits to be minutes, you press this again, and then you press the up arrow. If you're happy with that, you just press here, the time. And then you can already start doing that. So for instance, we want to start timer on channel 1. So just press this one and it'll start counting. But we need to set timer to say channel 2 to 2 minutes and 2 seconds. So to do that, press time and then press channel 2. And then do the same, press this twice, and then press it again, press this twice. And if you're happy with that, just press this, and then the left channel 1 again is just continue counting down. So we want to start using channel 2, so just press that one, and then you want to change channel 3 to say 3 minutes and 3 seconds. So we do the same, press this one, up arrow 3 times, and then press this one again, up arrow 3 times, and then press the time again to have that preset. All right, so and so on and so forth. Yeah, so for instance, we want to set number channel 4, and so 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, this one is about to go off, and to turn up the time to alarm, just press it. And then we go back here. We're happy with that, so press this again, and then we change this to 4. Press this again, the time, and there you go. So that's set to 4 minutes and 4 seconds. So let's just stop this one. So this one has a call feature. So let's use channel 5. So for instance, you need to do something after 1 minute. Then you need to do something another after 1 minute, and then another something after 1 minute. So to do that, you press the alarm or the reminder button. So that's alarm 1, right? So you press this one, and then you set the timer. So let's say the first alarm will occur in after 15 seconds. So let's say 10 seconds, just for illustration. So when you're happy with that, press the alarm. Then another thing will happen in after 10 seconds. So the first one was 10, right? So you press this again, and then you set it to 20, not 10 but 20. Ayan. So 20. If you're happy, you press this one. This alarm 3, and then you want to trigger after, say, 30 seconds. So press this again, and then once you're happy, press the alarm, and then let's say we want to do that in say 1 minute. So press that one. I mean, happy with that, set this one, time. And then let's see, so what will happen. So there you go. So that's now counting down, yeah. So at 50, this should trigger an alarm because you set at 10 seconds, right? Okay, we acknowledge that. And then at 40, another alarm will go off. Yan. There you go. Then another alarm will go off at 30 seconds. Yan. There you go. Continue running. So at 0 second, this will go off, of course, right? There you go. Yan. So remember that we set channels 7 and 8 to hour, minute. So say we want to set this to, we want to set the timer. Just press time and then press this one. So this one will set to, say, 2 minutes. Right there. Just say 1 minute, like that. And press this again. So when we press this, that shouldn't change, right? But it's already working. As you can see, it's flashing. So that means it's less than 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. So counting. It reached the 1 minute mark and it's now flashing. All right. So that's how you program and make use of this 8-channel timer, kitchen timer. Thank you, guys.